Hello students, the fourth module next chapter is the artificial neural network. Already explained the last two chapters. This one is the next chapter, the artificial neural network. So these are all contents. First of all, introduction of artificial neural network, then the business applications of artificial neural network, design principles of artificial neural networks, and developing an artificial neural networks. First one is the what is the artificial neural network or definition of artificial neural network. Here the artificial neural network is nothing but the information processing model. So information processing model nothing but here it will be in this model it will be taking the main mind or the brain. This is the main important, the all the information will be sharing with help of the mind and brain, then only the other parts of the body will be the working, the otherwise it will be not working. Here the brain containing the billions of neurons, that neurons will be like links with the other neuron patterns, means it will be connected to the all our body, the n number of the neurons. So every neurons receive the information from the many neurons. First of all, the brain is a here the millions billions of the neurons will be there. So it will receive the information. After receiving the information, once again it will be sent to all the information to the many neurons. Nothing but the process it and passes to the other neurons. First it will be receives the all the billions of the neurons, means information to the brain. After receiving the information, it will be sent to the necessary part of that the body. And actually in the brain, this is the main thing in the artificial neural network. This is a multi-purpose system. Multi-purpose system means they can be used many kinds of the patterns, nothing but it will be used for recognition purpose and prediction. Recognition means, suppose if you attended any exam, so without brain you will not attempted your exam. Okay, after studying, so how to recall the all the questions and answers, so with help of the recalling. So if you want to recall, just you need the main mind or the brain. So main is a pattern recognition, then prediction means this answer is this one, like that. So the main, this is a multi-purpose system, the brain is. And next one, the artificial neural network are composed. How exactly it will be composed? The large number of highly interconnected neurons. So that neurons will be working with the structure will be received from inputs. It will be received from the n number of the inputs, nothing but the n number of the neurons, and it will be produces some outputs. Means first information will be received with help of the neurons. After receiving the information, that all information will be produced to the output, nothing but the uh, for example, just you can take uh, raise your left hand, then sit down, like that. If I given any instructions, so automatically the mind will be recognized. After recognize, automatically the left hand will be rises, then sit down means automatically the people should be sit down. This all comes under the artificial neural network. And next one is the general artificial neural network model. This is also called as the black box trained. Black box we already studied. You have studied in your testing. In your testing, we are using the white box and black box. So here we are using the black box testing. Means here you taking the one number n number of the inputs and it will be produce n number of the outputs. So here I'm using a black box trained, means it will be solve the particular problems. After solving this problem, it will be develop the uh, like uh, predictive power of intermediate parameter values. Means it will be obtained like some, if you have taken any predictions, and as well as the in the artificial neural network having some n number of the trained data. So just you can take the trained data after as a input. After just you can use the artificial neural network after they have some summation, like that. After getting the summation, then you can solve the with help of the data mining task with the accuracies. After calculating the accuracy with help of black box, then we will prove the little gradient of their predictions. Nothing but the artificial neural network is complex system. This is mirror function of what? Nothing but the brain. So this is solve the all the data mining task. Already you have studied data mining in the third module. And next one is the some of the business applications of the artificial neural network. Here, your neural network are most objective function. Means already explained the neural network is a more complex to solve the predictions, and there exists some plenty of the data. After existing the plenty of the data, this model will be improve the overall expected predictions. Okay, the first of all, the first applications is they are used stock price prediction, where the rules of game extremely complicated, and a lot of data needs to be processed very quickly. The stock price predictions means nothing but suppose the n number of the customers will be visit the stores. After he has not calculated the all the stock, just he had predicted. For example, if your stock 10,000 kgs of the stock will be there, in same in that day, so there are the n number of the customers, we need not to calculate the stock. So in that case you can predict the stock price of, and with help of the like he has using the games are extremely complicated. So if a prediction is complicated, with help of the artificial neural network you can easy to predict the all the data as well as very quickly. And next one is they are used to character recognition, handwritten text damages or the mangled text. They are used recognize the fingerprints. So these are common. So first you can recognize the characters. Suppose if I attending any exams, so first uh, after taking the question, getting the question paper, so you will recall the all the answers like that. First you can recognize the characters, recognize the handwritten text, so automatically the all the answers will comes in your mind. So this for this question, this one is answer, this one is a diagram. So this I have read this text box like that. So just you can recognize the handwritten text or some damages or characters. So suppose if you're using the almost in artificial neural network we're using the all fingerprints, nothing but the biometrics. So these all comes under the one of the business application. Why we are using the fingerprints? Nothing but when the employees will become entered into the organization, when the employees will be left organization, so automatically that fingerprints, nothing but the biometrical, it will be noted down, and automatically data will be stored. Automatically after the month end, the salary time, the data will be produced. And next one is that they are also used traditional classification problem like financial loan applications. So here also we are using the artificial here also in the financial loan application having the huge number of the data. So in a loan you have categories: housing loan, gold loan, agriculture loan, like that it will be categories. After the categorize, once again the housing loan having the n number of the clients will be there, the agriculture n number of the clients, and gold loan n number of the customer, like that. So just you can recognize or you can categorize these all the loans with help of the artificial neural network. And next one is the design principles of an the artificial neural network. The first one is the nothing but the single artificial neurons. So in the single artificial neurons, basically the neurons is the unit of networks. Okay, the unit of neurons is also called as processing elements. First it will be receives the input from P's. So it would receive the n number of the inputs. So x1, x2, w1, w2, x3, w3, x4, and W4. It will be receive the n number of the inputs, nothing but the PES. The PES nothing but the preceding neurons. Means here in the preceding neurons it will be having some of the non-linear weighted computations. Non-linear means in the basic it will be takes the inputs, transform from the results into the output values. It will passes to output, and next the neurons of the network it will be produced. That means the first it will be take the n number of the input. After the n number of the inputs it will be sent to the like summarization and formation. In the summarization of formation it will be using the non-linear computations. Means first it will be input, transform the all the like x1 w1 x2 w2 like that. So after transforming the result, these all the values, this is passes on output, and after the passing the output, the next neurons it will be neural network it will be produced. Here x is nothing but inputs, x1 x2 x3 and x4 are the inputs. Here w1 w2 w3 and w4 are the weight for each input. The y is the output. And next one is the here the multi-layer artificial neural network. There are the at least one of the input neurons normally in the single, one input neuron, one output neuron, and at least one processing unit. Okay, nothing but the PES. And the artificial neural network these structures are simple, like nothing but it will be called as the single stage computational unit. Single stage computation unit means nothing but it will be take a simple task. After taking a simple task it will proceeds the all simple task just with help of the one neurons. After taking the one neurons, the result may be communicated with the n number of the neurons. So with help of the multi-layer artificial neural network, the processing elements, it will be take the processing elements of the sequences. After taking the sequences, it will be take the many neurons. So I am taking here input neuron, hidden, as well as the output neuron. In normally single it will not taken the hidden, only it will be take the inputs, some summarization. After summarization we will getting the output. So here hidden part will be there. So it will take a sequence of the neurons, nothing but a neuron 1 1 neuron 1 2 neuron 2 1 2 2 2 3 and 3 1 like that. The sequence of the neurons will be there. Some these neurons will be involved, nothing but the sequence of the neurons depending upon the complexity of the prediction action. So it will be take the predictions. Without prediction your artificial neural network will be not works. Only the artificial neural network will depends upon the predictions. So as well as in the multi-layer artificial neural networks, it will be using the PES, nothing but the preceding neurons. Here also work. Why the preceding neurons will be works? Because here I'm using the sequence of the neurons, as well as the sequence of the neurons will be works parallelly. So here the neuron 2 1 2 2 2 3, these all 3 1, these all works will be with help of the parallelly. And as well as in the processing logic. See, for the logic of multi-layer artificial neural network, so each neuron may assign. So neuron 1 1 1 2 2 1 2 2 2 3 3 1. So assigning the different weights, not the same weight. So it will be taking the all number of n number of the inputs, x1 x2 x3 x4, and weights w21 2 2 2 3 like that. I'm taking the different weights and different inputs. So different the many these each neurons may be assigned different weights to various incoming input streams. Means in the input neurons it will take the different categories of the all the neurons. After after that, the processing logic, after taking the input neuron, the processing logic here nothing but the hidden part. So in this logic it will be using the non-linear transformation. Means here it will be using the sigmoid functions, nothing but it will be proceeds the values to the output value. After taking the input, automatically it will be sent to the output values nothing but the output neurons. Here the processing logic nothing but the sigmoids. This is intermediated weights. This is hidden part is the intermediated weight. This processing the functions will be works after with help of the neuron 2 1, neuron 2 2, and neuron 2 3. Then whole system will be nothing but the object solving problem. Object solving problem means here the neuron network will be considered I am the black box. With help of the PES, after getting the PES, you will get the proper output, nothing but the you will getting the Y. So in the neural network, yeah, here there's a series of the neurons. The n number of the neurons receives the input from the other neurons. First input neuron received from the other neurons to the hidden, nothing but otherwise you can take the output neuron. And after taking the input to receiving the all the neurons, so just you can use a summarization or summation, or just you can use a summarization of that all the neurons input with the different weights, not same weight, different weights of the each input weight, some transform into the output value after the summarization of the whatever. If you're sending the values from the input sides to output sides, so it will be automatically sum, all the weights will be automatically getting the sum. After the summing, it will transport into the output values. Then that using with help of the transformation functions with help of the neurons, and we will getting the output. And next one is the developing the artificial neural network. So already explained with help of the artificial neural network. So it will be having the series of the neurons. After taking this means it will be taking the n number of the sending the n number of the neurons, receives the n number of the neurons. After receiving they having the different weights. After taking the different weight, just you can use a summarization of the all the weights, different weights of the input. And after the taking the weights, just you can sum into the output values, and you can transfer the function with help of the artificial neural network. And next one is the here it will be taking the training resource of the training data. Means it will be developed with help of neural network. It will be having the multi-layer and single layer. So here it will be using at least the multi-layer uh, multi-layer perceptron, nothing but a MLP algorithm. It will be using MLP algorithm to implement the neural networks. And as well as it will be using some probabilistic networks as well as self-organizing feature. Nothing but the problems with the predictive only. The self-organizing means it depends upon the how many neurons it will be sending, the how many hidden part will be there, and how many the output neurons will be there, depends upon the self-organizing. And there are some steps will be required for the artificial neural. First one is gather the data. Means after sending the data, so it will be divided all the data, and after dividing the data, it will test the data with help of the training data. Then once again it will be divide the whatever given data. Then it will be checks, verification and validation of that data. And next one is select the network architecture. Network architecture means just you can, here I'm using the two structures, the multi-layer and single layer. Just you can select the one of the architecture, and you can feed forward with help of the networks. Here almost here in the feed forward network, it will be using the regression and cluster analysis, as well as it will be using some machine learning techniques, nothing but the unsupervised learning. And then select the algorithm such as multi-layer here using the MLP algorithm. So in your syllabus he has not given an MLP algorithm, just he is using the some steps, what steps required for the artificial neural networks. And next set of the network parameters with help of the MLP algorithms, then train the artificial neural network with the training data. Means here some training period will be there. After the training the period, we will get the data. Then just you can check the verification with validation of the data. Then freeze the weights of the other parameter. Means if you are sending the data weights from the uh, input neuron to output neurons, So automatically after sending the all rates, the hidden part will be the freezes the all the weights. Then after freezing the weights, once again it will be sent to the other parameters and test the train networks with the test data. So you can test the all the data, nothing but this one is also same with help of the validation. If it is correct, then automatically artificial neural network will be accepted, otherwise it will be rejected. And deploy the artificial neural network when achieves good predictive accuracy and with help of uh, the blackboard box testing. And next one is the in the artificial neural network having some advantages and disadvantages. What is the advantage, what are the advantages? The it will be taking the some restriction, like restriction to use means it will be highly non-linear relationship on their own without much from user to analyst. Means, so it will be take the not using any linear relationship, it will be taking the non-linear, but it will be taking that own relationship, not it will not keep copy pasting anywhere. And second one, no need, it will be no need to program. Means in the artificial neural network they have learned from self only, nothing but a self organizing. And so it will be having some varieties of problems. Means it will be taking the some classification thing, but the using some classifications, clustering and association, we are using the artificial neural network. And in the artificial neural network model, so it will be handle the both numerical and categorical variables. And as well as the most important in artificial neural network, so it will be provided the better results, nothing but the prediction and clustering to compare the statistical counterparts, the both counterparts. And as well as it will be having some disadvantages artificial neural network. So it has in the large data sets. Suppose if you want to use an artificial neural network, so it will be having the huge amount of the data set, and it has a different to handle the variables, different to handle the variables. Especially it will be having the rich number number of attributes, as well as the if you are taking the rich number of the attributes, you are having the accuracy will be different. And automatically the if you are getting the with help of the MLP algorithms, so we are getting, if you have achieved these all the steps, then you are not getting the good results. Automatically you are using the artificial neural network will be the not use. And next, it will be require the artificial neural network requires expenditure, as well as lots of the experiments. Without the single experiment you will not use the artificial neural network, lots of the efforts will be needed for the artificial neural network.